Alright, today we'll be looking at how to draw this hook. Alright, first let's draw this horizontal line. Now let's draw this perpendicular line. Now we have two concentric circles. Alright, one with diameter 45 millimeters. The other has a diameter of 90 millimeters. So we divide each into two to get a radius to draw the circles. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5 millimeters. Ninety divided by 2 is 45 millimeters. Now we have this distance to be 180 millimeters, which is the same as 18 centimeters. So let's draw a horizontal line through that point. Now let's draw these two circles. The smaller one has a radius of 45 millimeters. Note that this time around they gave us the radius and not the diameter. Trying to make it dip so you can see. Alright. Now the larger circle has a radius of 90 millimeters, which is the same as 9 centimeters. But note that its center is shifted 23 millimeters from this center. Alright, 23 millimeters. So now let's measure 9 centimeters. Now let's draw this ending. Alright. Now we have a circle in this direction and another circle in the same direction. Alright. Now the radius of this circle is 45 millimeters and this is the same as for this circle. Alright. So we are going to stand at this point, and measure 45 millimeters. We repeat it for the same circle. Alright. So measure 45 millimeters. Measure another 45 millimeters. But this time around, we'll stand at this point. Now stand here. And draw a circle. An incomplete circle, of course. With the same dimension. Stand at this point. Now, there's a small circle joining the two circles we just drew. So let's measure 7 millimeters. We're now left with these lines. Alright. Now to draw this line, what we'll do is to bisect this line. So stand here and open more than half the distance. Alright. Stand here and cross the arc. Again, bisect this distance. So stand here, open more than half the entire distance. Now pick this distance. And transfer it here. Next, stand at this point. Pick the new distance. And draw an arc to cut this circle. So now with these 2 points, we can draw a straight line. Alright. If you've noticed, the straight line will pass through the center. Now we are left with this side. Alright. You can clearly see that there is a circle here with radius 32 millimeters that touches this circle externally. So what would we do? We need to add the radius of both circles. Now this is having a radius of 32 millimeters and this has a radius of 45 millimeters since the diameter is 90 millimeters. So 45 plus 32 should give us 77 millimeters. Stand at the center and draw an arc. And now pick 32 millimeters, alright, to draw this arc. Connect this circle to this one. And there you go. We've been able to draw our hook. Please leave a comment in the section below. Let us know if this video was helpful. Also, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.